I think in California, our biggest success has been rolling out a couple of very significant and impactful IT projects that supported some very important programs. So for example, the Health Benefit Exchange, which all states were required to roll out this last year, was a big challenge for California, but we did it. And as a result of rolling out the system, we were able to enroll millions of folks into the healthcare service or healthcare insurance. So that's been pretty successful and something that California looks at as a pretty significant accomplishment. A couple of the other successes are projects that also rolled out that at certain points in their past have been very challenged. So for example, we rolled out a big statewide payrolling and case management program in our social services area. And then we also are completing, and almost complete actually, the rolling out of an offender management system in our prison system. Again, very large projects with lots of moving parts, very challenged at certain points in the life cycle of the project, but in the end, the state, the vendor, and my own agency came together to really pull them off. You know, I think some of the new computing models really provide some good opportunities for state and locals to work together. As an example, in California this year, we're in the process of launching our California Government Cloud. And what that's going to do is that's going to give California state government as well as local government a really good, affordable, and efficient option for hosting technology and providing computing services. And so we're already seeing a lot of interest between the local organizations, local counties and cities in leveraging our investment in the cloud. The other area where I think there's a really good opportunity for state and locals to work together is in the area of cybersecurity. Again, in California, we've organized a task force made up of local government, state government, actually the federal government is participating, and private sector folks, along with public safety, along with the educational community, to try and increase California as a whole, California's cybersecurity posture. So I think cybersecurity and preparedness for cybersecurity events is one area where collaboration and coordination really can pay off. I think for me, what I'm most passionate about is seeing that the impact that an investment in technology, a strategic and smart investment in technology, can really have on the day-to-day lives of California consumers and California residents. Just seeing the transformative power of technology makes me really passionate about making sure that we get it right when we're investing in technology and government. Oh, several. As I mentioned, our California Cloud Initiative is a very important one for us. Our work that we're doing in cybersecurity also. And then in terms of enterprise systems across the state, there are some really important ones. Where the state is in the process of replacing its financial management systems with a single enterprise system. That project is called Fiscal, and we have some pretty major milestones coming up this next year, starting in July. So we'll be watching that very closely. In California too, we recently passed legislation to provide driver's licenses for undocumented immigrants. And so that's going to start rolling out in this next year as well. So that'll be one that we'll be watching very carefully as well.